Hello everyone, it's Jackson. Today, I'm going to show you a simple and effective method to fix the confirmation code problem on Telegram so you can log in easily. If you've already tried to sign in but the code never arrives or it keeps getting stuck, then this video is for you. First, if Telegram is already installed on your phone, go to the Play Store and download the app again. I know this might sound strange, but it's a small trick that helps reset some permissions and notifications, which often fixes the issue, and allows the code to come through. Once the download is complete, don't click Open. Instead, go back to your home screen. Next, press and hold the Telegram icon for a few seconds. Depending on your phone, you'll see an option called App Info, or just a small I symbol. Tap it to access the app's advanced settings. In this section, look for Permissions. Here, make sure to allow everything that's requested, like access to your phone, contacts, and files. The only one you can skip if you want is Location Access, since it's not necessary for sending or receiving the confirmation code. Allowing all these options helps Telegram work properly and communicate with your phone to deliver the confirmation code. Then, go back and open Notifications. Turn on all notifications for Telegram. This ensures you won't miss any important messages or your confirmation code. Many people don't receive the code simply because their notifications are turned off, so this step is very important. Now you can open the app. The first time you open it after adjusting the settings, Telegram will ask you to accept the terms of use. Quickly read and accept them. Then, select your country code. This is important. If you choose the wrong code, you won't receive your confirmation code. After that, enter your phone number. Once you've entered your number, Telegram will try to send you a confirmation code. If you use a Google account to receive this code, enter your email address. If you have multiple accounts, choose the one you use most often to get the code faster. Then, open your messages and enter the code you received into the Telegram app. Sometimes, the code might not arrive right away. In that case, Telegram will offer to send a new code. Simply repeat the process, and the code will usually arrive the second time. This method works almost every time, even if you've had problems before. Here's an extra tip. If your phone number is active on multiple devices, make sure Telegram isn't trying to send the code to another phone. Otherwise, you might not receive it on the right one. Another useful trick: if the code still doesn't arrive, restart your phone before trying again. Sometimes, a simple reboot helps the app reconnect properly to Telegram's servers. Finally, once you've entered the code and successfully logged in, take a moment to check your security settings. Turn on two-step verification to protect your account, and make sure your notifications are still enabled so you never miss any important messages. With this method, you should never have issues receiving your confirmation code again, and your Telegram account will be ready to use smoothly. That's all for today. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming tips about Telegram and other apps. Thanks for watching, and see you soon for another video.